All right, picture this. You're in class. Your English teacher looks at you and says, "Can you summarize the video we just watched?" Or maybe it was a listening track or something you read, and suddenly you freeze. You kinda got the idea, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. You're stuck. If that's ever happened to you, trust me, you're not the only one. A lot of English learners know what they heard or read, but they do not know how to talk about it. So today, I'm gonna help you fix that. We're gonna talk about how to summarize anything in English. Videos, podcasts, articles, whatever you've listened to or read. Not only are you gonna learn the right phrases, but I'll also show you when to use them and why they actually work. Let's break this down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, start by saying what the thing was about. Like, what did you watch or read? What was the topic? Here's what you can say. I just watched a video about space travel. The article I read was about how social media affects sleep. Or it was a podcast about motivation. You're not jumping into the details yet, guys. You're just letting the person know what kind of thing you're summarizing. It's like saying, here's what I'm going to talk about. That's it. Simple. Now, step number 2, talk about the main ideas, not the small details. This is where a lot of learners go too deep and get lost. You don't have to remember everything, guys, just the big points. You can use phrases like the main point of this video or of this article or of this text was that too much screen time, for example, can mess up your sleep. Or one of the key ideas was that motivation comes from small daily goals. Or they also explain how technology is changing our daily habits. If there are 2 or 3 big ideas, that's totally fine. Just keep it short and clear. Now, step number 3, wrap it up. You can just end the summary, or if you want, share a quick personal reaction. Some useful phrases are, for example, "So yeah, that's basically what it was about." Or to sum it up, the article showed why mental health needs more attention. Or I thought it was super interesting. It made me realize how much I need to take breaks from my phone. This last part helps you guys sound more natural, more personal. And it shows that you actually understand what you heard or read. Let's go over the 3 steps one more time real quick. Number 1, say what the video, podcast, or article was about. Number 2, mention the main ideas, just the big stuff. No tiny details. And number 3, wrap it up and maybe say what you thought about it. If you do that, you'll sound clear, confident, and also way more fluent. So here's your challenge now. Think of the last thing you watched, listened to, or read in English. Try summarizing it in just 3 steps, just like we practiced. And hey, if you want to really improve, write your summary down in the comments and I'll be reading them all and helping out when I can. If this helped, if this video helped you out, guys, give it a like and also subscribe to my channel for more real-world English tips. See you in the next one.